Hey guys, for this one, the problem said, Mr. Ito is spreading mulch in his yard. He spreads 4 2/3 square yards in 2 hours. How many square yards of mulch can he do per hour? So you're going to set it up like a proportion, just like you've been doing with unit rate. So we have 4 2/3 square yards over 2 hours equals X number of square yards over 1 hour. So it's basically taking your unit rate, what we've been talking about, and including complex fractions. So again, if we were solving this proportion, we would do 4 2/3 times 1, which is just 4 2/3. Divide that by 2. So there's your complex fraction. So we have 4 2/3 divided by 2. We are going to cartwheel around and change this to an improper fraction. 4 times 3 plus 2 gives us 14/3 divided by 2. Keep change reciprocal times 1 over 2. Cross simplify, this becomes a 1. This becomes a 7. Multiply straight across, and we get 7/3. Change it back to an improper fraction. 3 goes into 7 2 times, with 1 left over. So 2 1/3 square yards is our final answer. Hopefully you got that one right. Go ahead and make sure you set the next one up like a proportion, and then solve it, and then check the video on the next slide.